Looking for the most powerful AI model to revolutionize your workflow? Meet Grok 3, the future of intelligence. Grok 3 is a powerful AI model designed to handle a wide range of tasks with exceptional speed and accuracy. It can research complex topics, providing detailed and reliable information on any subject. It also excels at brainstorming creative ideas, helping users generate innovative solutions and strategies. With its data analysis capabilities, Grok 3 can process large datasets to reveal valuable insights and patterns. Additionally, it can create stunning visuals based on user prompts, perfect for presentations and marketing materials. For developers, Grok 3 can write, debug, and optimize code, making it a versatile tool for professionals across various fields. This tool helps users find detailed and accurate information on any topic. It's perfect for gathering data, exploring new ideas, or learning about complex subjects. Ideal for generating creative ideas, solutions, or strategies. Whether you're planning a project or writing content, this feature helps you think outside the box. Its function processes complex data sets, offering insights and patterns. It's great for researchers, analysts, or anyone working with large amounts of information. This tool generates images based on user prompts, useful for visual content creation, presentations, or marketing materials. Designed for developers, this feature assists in writing, debugging, and optimizing code in various programming languages. One standout feature is DeepSearch. This tool provides transparent, step-by-step reasoning, enhancing research and data analysis by breaking down complex queries into manageable parts for more demanding tasks. Big Brain Mode allocates additional computational resources, allowing Grok 3 to tackle intricate problems effectively. Another unique capability is the Thinking tool, which enhances logical reasoning and problem-solving, making Grok 3 exceptionally powerful for complex decision-making scenarios. That's a wrap on Grok 3. Excited to see how Grok 3 stacks up against ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our ultimate AI showdown. Which feature of Grok 3 are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.